Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Thank you Bill Birch for sending me this, because honestly, pigs in blankets isn't just for Christmas. Well, this is pigs in blankets with a slightly different take, and it was quite fun, I thought. So thanks Bill for that. We'll crack on with that in a minute, but firstly I wanted to just thank Anne Colling with an E on the end. I'm sorry Anne if I got your surname wrong, but thank you for joining Patreon. I really appreciate that. That's so lovely of you. Thank you. Yeah, so come and have a look at the ingredients for these pigs in blankets for all year round. They certainly would be good. I am going to make a batch and freeze half of that batch, and we'll be eating the rest. So come and have a look. So for this, I did get slightly better sausages. I think these are £2.49. Oh no, I don't know. That's not right actually. The ingredients list will come up, but the cost breakdown will be at the end. So we have slightly fancier sausages, prices at the end of the vlog, the back bacon, some baked beans, and some grated mozzarella. Oh, geez, put my teeth back in. Hold on. Mozzarella. It could be grated cheddar cheese or brie or any cheese you like personally, but I've got grated mozzarella. So let's get this started, because yeah, this is looking like a lovely extra pigs in blankets. I really like it. See you in a bit. So I've actually cut each bacon slice in half, so I've only needed 5 bacon slices, so hopefully this will work. Just trying to preserve. So I'll put one sausage there, and I'm going to cut it nearly in half. Might be a little bit messy. Spoon of bit of baked bean sauce in. And followed by some mozzarella. And then try and wrap the bacon around. This way I might need more than one half, so I wasn't sure whether I'd get away with this, but we'll see. Maybe we do need one whole slice. Yeah, depends on the size of your sausage I suppose, but that's wrapped, so let's keep on going. Okay, I have brushed the crisper plates with oil. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure if that will work. If it doesn't work, you'll know that maybe parchment paper would have been a better idea, but let's do it. I really want the air to circulate, so I have a feeling that that's important in this. It will just sit in its own sort of juices otherwise. I'm not sure how many I can fit per basket. I think it looks like 3. I think I'll just cook 3 per basket and freeze the remaining 4. That would work out quite nicely for another day. Right, I've got to wash my hands, and then I'm going to put these baskets and crack on, what's the word? Fire up the ninja. There we go. Let's get these in. Match. Just air fry. Maybe 180. I'm kind of guesstimating. I don't know how long, but we'll do 20 minutes. obviously I'll be checking periodically. Well, I will definitely check in 10 minutes and let's see how they're getting on from there. See you in a bit. Quick check. Ooh. They're looking good. Oops, sorry, steamed you up. Hold up. Yep, I like that. That looks nice. Oh. Okay, we'll let them carry on. Time frames. See you in a bit. Well, I'm just going to check them again before the full 20 minutes are up. Okay, let's have a look at the underside. Oops. I'm going to stick in a tad. I might just fold them over. I don't really want them. Oh, geez. Maybe it's best to leave them as is. Yeah. Let's just quick temperature check them. Yeah, quick temperature check instead. Look, I'd rather maybe not move them. Well, they're well and truly cooked, so that's great. I'll clean my probe in a bit. Right, let's plate these up and come back for a taste test. See you in a minute. Ooh, I mean, yeah, they look absolutely delicious with mash. Ooh, yeah. But yeah, I would eat these with mash. There are 3 that are not great and 3 that are a lot better, and I'm wondering if I hadn't have cut them in half. I mean, they look like they've lost their content slightly, but I mean, this is how it should look. Yeah, so we're going to actually taste test one of these, the better 3, but it's a sort of learning curve. So let's pick what looks like the best one. Ooh, maybe that one. I'm going to cut it in half, see what's going on. Steam. Oh yeah, well, let's just go in for taste test because it's falling apart. Oh, hot. Oh, I can taste the baked beans. A little bit of cheese. It doesn't. I think it melts away a little bit, but let's have another taste. I am a bit hungry. It's kind of lunchtime. Ooh. Oops. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I really like that. It's fun. I would definitely next time not cut the bacon in half. Really wrap them securely, and I might add cheddar cheese next time because of the it's a stronger flavour. I mean, I don't think that grated mozzarella is very strong in flavour, the one that I get from Lidl, but very Moorish. Yeah, what else could you eat this with? I mean, there's mash. Would you have mash with this? Because you'd obviously have gravy. Maybe as a fun part of your a breakfast, especially if it's a birthday breakfast. Because I've frozen, the other 4 I've put in the freezer, so that would be nice and easy for you know, a nice Sunday morning breakfast or whatever. Yeah, I did like these. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. I'm just gonna carry on eating this. It's just so nice. I love a good sausage.